there, for all the replay viewers, you can find me on Twitter at CapraPR, or you can log on to beaprrockstar.com and let's rock PR together. So, hi everyone, I'm just coming to you live today wanting to share some tips on being that own PR rock star and how you can get the media attention you deserve for your business, your brand, your cause. How's everyone doing today? Hi, I'm Janelle Capra with Capra PR. I'm the owner and founder of a public relations firm in California, and I'm broadcasting to you from Bakersfield, California today, giving you just some feedback on an interview that I just did this morning with some radio and web TV. And, thank you for the love. Who's tuning in? Let's take some time to just take a look at everybody coming in today. Go ahead and share, comment there. I see some hearts. From Boston, lovely. How's Boston weather today? A little chilly? I would need my jacket probably, huh? And yeah, let me know where you're tuning in from. So this is just gonna be a quick scope. I wanted to share with all of you, I've worked 20 plus years in media, working with local TV stations, different affiliates, and working in community as well. And it's interesting because I've been watching Periscope, especially since it launched, but really since July, and just finding some PR Periscope rock stars out there. From Delano, I have a feeling there's a wonderful grape grower in Delano, California. Columbine Vineyards, look them up. So yeah, I wanted to share with you today just some thoughts that I had on this idea of being the go-to expert. You might have heard that term before, and how you really can turn your Periscope, your scopes into opportunities to be on the news, to be on, TV, radio, print, whatever it may be. And I wanted to share those tips with you today because you may not realize you're here on Periscope, you're sharing stories, you're sharing content, you're sharing tips and tools and wonderful ideas. But did you know that you could be using those ideas to pitch yourself to the media in a way that's powerful for your brand, for your business, for your cause? It too could be something that could land you on a news interview. It could give you opportunity to broaden your business, reach more people. So what you need to do is very simple. It's just start with something that you're passionate about, something that you know, and grow that knowledge so that you can then become the go-to expert. I've told clients through the years, if they're trying to share a story, how do they pitch it to the media? You need to be that go-to expert. You need to be the person that they're trying to share that information with. Hi, thanks for tuning in. So this is going to be a quick scope because I want to keep it simple for you, and I'll be expanding on this idea more as we get to share these thoughts together, and hopefully you can comment and go ahead and share this broadcast. How to get your Periscope broadcasts, so your scopes, to land you opportunities on TV, radio, and print. The number one way, be the go-to expert. Research what the topics are that they're covering in that market in your local community. Find out what you can do to share and expand on ideas, and be that expert that they're looking for. Because every news station, you may not realize this, but you are setting the agenda. You're setting the agenda for the news that day. So if you have opportunities to share your business, your brand, your cause, you can leverage that. And it's really a powerful way to get your community behind you, for you to build PR, build some trust and branding. And you can repurpose all of that. Anytime you're on a news interview, whether it's TV, radio, print, use it. Use it to your advantage. So I was just going to come to you quickly because I will be doing a series of scopes coming up. And one of the opportunities I wanted to share with you on a Thankful Thursday is a way for you to get a free gift. So if you go to bearockstar.com, we can rock PR together. And I have a free gift for you today that if you go ahead and log in, you can also, if you're on your mobile devices, which many of us are, you can just text CAPRA, that's C-A-P-R-A, to 58885. And I'm going to share with you a way to feed the news what they need. There's 3 steps. You need to pitch. Well, first you need to prepare, and you have to be ready with that content. And it's all how you prepare and pitch it to the media. So go ahead and follow me here at beaprrockstar.com, or you also can just text Capra PR to 58885. And friends, I'm keeping this scope short. Thank you for the love. Any questions out there before I log off? I have just a short scope this afternoon to share with you on how you can leverage your broadcast. So your Periscope rock stars out there, I've been watching you. You have wonderful content, great energy, opportunities to go beyond this medium. And if you've ever tried to get on TV, radio, or print, and expand on web as well, this is a way to do it. So you want to be that go-to expert, okay? And if you have any questions, you can always find me on Twitter at CapraPR. I'd be happy to answer them. Again, be the go-to expert and just use that knowledge that you're already growing in your industry, in your brand, in your business to share the story. And trust me, the media will pick it up. So that's it for today. We're keeping it short. One thing I am asking everyone to do this month of November is just to also share something, whether you're thankful or you're giving back or whatever it is you're doing. Go ahead and use a hashtag #ThanksForGiving, and let's continue to support one another in this Periscope community. So again, this is Janelle Capra. Happy to just stop in and chat with all of you today. And follow me at Capra PR. If you have any questions, send me a message. We'll stay connected. All right, have a great day.